Welcome to the Learning Academy. Today we'll be discussing super Earths and habitable exoplanets. What are super Earths? Super Earths are extrasolar planets that are larger than the Earth but smaller than our gas giants. Therefore, they are smaller than Neptune. Examples of super Earths include Ixion, 55 Cancri E, Gliese 876d, Gliese 581d, Caro 7b, GJ 1214, Tau Ceti F, Kepler 22b, Kepler 438b, Kepler 62f, Kepler 186f, Kepler 442b, and Gliese 667. Let's explore some facts about super Earths. Super Earths are planets that have a mass that is between the size of 1 to 10 times that of our Earth. Super Earths are classified based on the mass of the planet, and also scientists tend to look at the surface conditions to determine whether or not the planet is habitable. These conditions include the existence of water on the planet as well as surface temperatures. It's outside of our solar system that have the potential to support life are also considered to be super Earths. Approximately 30 planets that have been discovered outside of our solar system have been classified as super Earths. However, more than 50 alien planets, inclusive of the super Earths, have been discovered by the European Southern Observatory. Some of these super Earths are rocky worlds, while others are water worlds. The first two exoplanets that were discovered and classified as super Earths were 4 times the size of our Earth, and they were found in 1992, and they orbited a star which was a pulsar. There is a super Earth that has a mass of 7.5 of Earth's mass. It orbits Gliese 876 and has been named Gliese 876d. A large portion of the super Earths that have been discovered are sometimes 1.9 times the size of our Earth. Astronomers have assumed that super Earths may be more geologically active than our planet Earth. So guess what? These super Earths should be having super earthquakes. Astronomers and researchers are very excited about the discovery of super Earths because these exoplanets are potentially habitable. In 2019, tests discovered a new super Earth. This super Earth was called GJ357d. This exoplanet is approximately 31 light years away from our solar system. This planet orbits a star called GJ357. Astronomers have identified that the exoplanet lies within its star's habitable zone and therefore has the potential to be habitable. It should be noted that super Earth GJ357d is our nearest super Earth. It is the closest super Earth to our solar system. Potentially habitable exoplanets are planets that lie in the habitable zone of their stars. This means that the conditions that they exist in are just right. It is neither too cold nor too hot. Examples of potentially habitable exoplanets or super Earths include Proxima Centauri b, K2-18b, LHS 1140b, Caro 7b, Kepler 10b, 55 Cancri E, Kepler 69c, Kepler 186f, Gliese 1214b, Kepler 442b, Gliese 581c, Gliese 667cc, and TRAPPIST-1c. potentially habitable exoplanets include Kepler 452b, Wolf 1061c, Kepler 1229b, Captain B, Kepler 62f, Lutein B, Trappist 1d, Trappist 1e, Trappist 1f, Trappist 1g, Kepler 1638b, and T Garden C. Scientists have discovered that 1/3 of the exoplanets that we have located could be water worlds, with oceans that are hundreds of miles deep. Through their analysis, they have surmised that these exoplanets may have seas that could be more than 35% of these distant worlds. Astronomers and researchers are constantly looking for similar planets like our Earth that have water on the surface. It's either they are looking for liquid water or water in the form of ice. For years, they have found 4,000 exoplanets that are orbiting distant stars. Exoplanets that have water include Gliese 1214b, K2 18b, Proxima Centauri b, Gliese 581c, and Tau Bootis b. One example of a water world or an ocean planet is GJ 1214b. This super Earth is larger than Earth but smaller than our gas giants. What is a water world? A water world is also called an ocean world, or an ocean planet, or an aqua planet. These planets are types of terrestrial planets that contains a large amount of water either on its surface or at its subsurface. Moons in our solar system like Europa, Enceladus, Ganymede, and Callisto are classified as water worlds. These exist within our solar system, and they are extremely fascinating to astrobiologists because of their potential to harbor life and also sustain biological activity over long geological periods. These 4 water worlds are the 4 best known ocean worlds in our solar system. Rocky worlds, also known as terrestrial planets or telluric planets, or simply a rocky planet, are planets that are composed primarily of rocks or metals. Within our solar system, we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars as our terrestrial or rocky planets. Examples of rocky worlds in the universe include 51 Pegasi b, Gliese 876d, and Ogle 2005 BLG 390 LB. Other rocky worlds in our universe include Kepler 10b, Kepler 20b, Kepler 36b, Kepler 48d, Kepler 68c, Kepler 78b, Kepler 89b, Kepler 93b, Kepler 97b, Kepler 99b, and Kepler 100b. Kepler 101c, Kepler 102b, Kepler 102d, Kepler 113b, Kepler 131b, Kepler 131c, Kepler 138c, Kepler 406b, Kepler 406c, and Kepler 409b are also examples of terrestrial exoplanets. Please continue to do research on fascinating space facts and other critical and interesting information about our universe. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments below and give us your feedback on this topic and any other topic that you'd like us to discuss on the Learning Academy. Thanks for watching. This has been the Learning Academy. Remember that you are the greatest and you have the potential to exceed above your greatest expectations.